Executive Scientific Report, Safer and More Efficient Amidation. Peptide coupling. Synthetic drugs amidation and peptide coupling are crucial chemical processes for synthesizing a wide range of therapeutic peptides and small molecule drugs. Recent advances in this field have focused on developing safer, more efficient, and sustainable amidation techniques that utilize fewer toxic reagents, enhance reaction specificity, and improve yields. These improvements directly enhance the pharmacokinetic PK and pharmacodynamic PD profiles of the resulting synthetic drugs, leading to better efficacy, reduced side effects, and more patient-friendly dosing regimens. This report presents an overview of the significant progress made in this area, highlighting notable examples and key industry players driving innovation. This report covers the top 3 EMA, FDA-approved amidation, peptide coupling synthetic drugs, the top 3 investigational new drugs leveraging amidation, peptide coupling, and a summary of the value proposition, sales performance, and key industry players. Top 3 EMA, FDA-approved amidation, peptide coupling synthetic drugs. Liraglutide Victoza, indicated for type 2 diabetes mellitus and obesity, is a peptide-based glucagon-like peptide 1GLP-1 receptor agonist. It is synthesized using solid-phase peptide synthesis (SPPS) and optimized amidation coupling chemistry. The drug's extended half-life, made possible by its unique fatty acid modification, enables once-daily dosing, improving patient convenience. Liraglutide has shown good efficacy in glucose control and weight loss, making it a valuable option for managing these conditions. Sales data indicates consistent growth, with revenue reaching $4.7 billion in 2022, $5 billion in 2023, and $5.3 billion in 2024. This positive trend is expected to continue, with forecasts projecting sales of $5.7 billion in 2025, $6.1 billion in 2026, and $6.6 billion in 2027. Semaglutide Ozempic is another peptide-based drug used for type 2 diabetes mellitus and obesity. This modified peptide utilizes site-specific amidation and coupling strategies to improve stability and half-life. As a result, semaglutide exhibits superior half-life characteristics, allowing for once-weekly dosing. The drug effectively increases insulin secretion and slows gastric emptying, aiding in glycemic control and weight reduction. Ozempic has demonstrated good efficacy and safety in clinical trials. Its once-weekly dosing regimen offers a convenient and effective treatment option for patients. With sales of $7.2 billion in 2022, $8.3 billion in 2023, and $9.5 billion in 2024, semaglutide has seen strong growth. This momentum is expected to continue, with forecasts indicating sales of $11 billion in 2025, $12.5 billion in 2026, and $14 billion in 2027. Bortezomib Velcade is a synthetic boronic acid peptide analog used for multiple myeloma and mantle cell lymphoma. It functions by inhibiting the proteasome, an enzyme complex responsible for protein degradation. Bortezomib was developed using efficient amidation and coupling techniques to enhance its proteasome inhibitory properties. While not a peptide itself, this drug's development highlights the importance of peptide coupling in creating effective cancer therapies. The drug's pharmacokinetic profile has been optimized for improved bioavailability and dosing schedule, contributing to its efficacy in treating these conditions. Despite its benefits, sales of Bortezomib have been declining, with revenue of $1.3 billion in 2022, $1.2 billion in 2023, and $1.1 billion in 2024. This downward trend is expected to continue, with projections showing sales of $1 billion in 2025, $900 million in 2026, and $800 million in 2027. Top 3 investigational new drugs leveraging amidation. Peptide coupling Tirzepatide 𝗦𝗬𝗡𝗧 from Eli Lilly is a dual GLP-1 receptor agonist peptide being developed for type 2 diabetes mellitus and obesity. It is optimized via advanced amidation coupling chemistry to achieve a prolonged half-life, enabling once-weekly dosing. Currently, it is approved in the US and EMA filing is under review. Tirzepatide is expected to reach peak sales between $8 and $12 billion annually by 2027. Aileron Therapeutics from Aileron Therapeutics is a stapled peptide designed to reactivate the tumor suppressor protein p53 in oncology applications. This synthetic peptide is being developed for the treatment of various cancers including lymphoma and leukemia. Using improved peptide coupling chemistries, it exhibits enhanced stability and cell permeability. Aileron Therapeutics is in phase 2 of clinical trials and is projected to receive approval in 2026 to 2027, with peak sales ranging from $500 million to $1 billion annually. 𝗕𝗙𝗙𝗕𝗏 from Protagonist Therapeutics is a synthetic peptide currently in phase 3 of clinical trials for the treatment of anemia and other chronic conditions. It utilizes site-specific amidation and coupling chemistry to optimize its PK properties. 𝗕𝗙𝗙𝗕𝗏 aims to address the limitations of existing therapies and improve patient outcomes. The drug is projected to be approved in 2026 and is estimated to reach between $300 million and $600 million at peak sales annually. Key industry players in amidation, peptide coupling drug design and development. Several companies are at the forefront of developing amidation, peptide coupling synthetic drugs. Eli Lilly and Company is a leader in peptide therapeutics with a strong focus on advanced amidation chemistry exemplified by Tirzepatide. Novo Nordisk is a pioneer in GLP-1 receptor agonists, including Liraglutide and Semaglutide, utilizing proprietary peptide coupling technologies. Aileron Therapeutics specializes in stapled peptide drug design, enhancing stability and bioavailability via novel coupling chemistries. Other notable companies include Protagonist Therapeutics, Bristol Myers Squibb, and Pfizer. Value proposition: improved PK/PD profiles. Innovations in amidation and peptide coupling chemistry offer several value propositions. They enable enhanced metabolic stability and resistance to proteolytic degradation, prolonged circulation half-life, allowing for reduced dosing frequency, improved receptor binding affinity, increasing therapeutic efficacy, and lower immunogenicity and side effects, enhancing patient compliance. Conclusion: safer and more efficient amidation and peptide coupling synthetic drugs have revolutionized peptide therapeutics by delivering improved pharmacological profiles and better patient outcomes. Market-leading EMA, FDA-approved drugs have achieved blockbuster status and a strong pipeline of IND candidates leveraging advanced chemistry and improved PK/PD profiles positions the field for continued growth and innovation. Industry leaders such as Eli Lilly, Novo Nordisk, and Aileron Therapeutics are at the forefront, leveraging cutting-edge synthetic methodologies to maintain competitive advantage. If you found this executive scientific report on amidation, peptide coupling synthetic drugs informative, please consider subscribing to our channel for more updates on the latest scientific advancements and industry trends. Your support helps us continue delivering valuable content. Thank you for watching.